Okay, here we are with another video. This is my new Biolite Griddle, and it goes with the Biolite FirePit. And it's pre-seasoned. I've put some oil on it already so that we can just be sure. Now my question is, very rough surface, how is something not going to stick to that? We'll have to see. Eggs, bacon, sausage, all the sticky stuff I can think of. So we're going to give it a shot, and we'll be back. So, just wanted to show you my charcoal chimney, which is hot, very hot right now. Charcoal chimney, that's how I'm starting it. I don't like the chemicals that you put with the sticks to get the charcoal going. So, anyways, we'll be back.
Short little musical interlude we need while we're waiting for the charcoal to warm up. My abandoned canoe. We left it in the rapids. Got stuck.
Okay, charcoal's just about ready. See some embers down there, not too far. Alright, we're going to pop that in the fire pit and spread it out, get this party started. It's on low currently, and seems like even heat distribution. So I'd probably cook it a little bit hotter if I was inside on the stove. So how's my charcoal looking? It's alright. Most of it's still up top. Alright. I'll flip them over. Come back in a second. So, sticking, yes. Even heat, yes. Nice high sides, yes. Heavy duty, yes. 8.8 pounds. I'm not backpacking with this thing. This is car camping only. On low. Okay, so what happened? What happened was all the small pieces of charcoal fell to the bottom through the grate, and I had to put more charcoal. So sausages are done, most of the bacon's done. So if I was to do this again, I would put a layer of large charcoal on the bottom of the grate so the little ones don't fall through. And then I would use my chimney and I get it started. It's the same. Throw it in there, and then it might have a bit better burn time. And I had it on low, by the way. I'll put it back on low now that the new charcoal is getting lit. And my fat's starting to bubble again here. So, as you can see, whoever gets the first eggs, they're a little greasy. The next ones will be much better, you see. So, the Biolite FirePit, there's nothing wrong with the Biolite FirePit, except the griddle that they're making here. This rough texture here shouldn't be like that. Everything sticks to it. It needs to be smooth, like a real frying pan. So, real frying pan, this is how it's supposed to look. Shiny. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, it's already been seasoned, but that doesn't matter. So I'm going to take some sandpaper, and maybe even take a grinder, and I'll grind this flat. And then I'll re-season it again, and then it won't stick. Aside from that, it gathers heat really well. It's nice and even. It weighs 8.8 pounds, so it's not light. It's heavier than this big sucker over here. Pretty sure, because it's much bigger. Alright, that's my review. If Biolite's watching, I would suggest you take some material down on the surface to make it smooth, because it just sticks way too much. Alright, thanks a lot. Please subscribe. Bye now.